Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to write a program that checks if a given year is a leap year in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT. How to use Java to write a program that checks if a given year is a leap year. Make sure you are showing all the steps and explain each step and each line of code in detail to someone who is a beginner in coding. Please show the complete code at the end. Please break down the code and explain each step in detail. And here is what ChatGPT tells us. First, let's set up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with .java extension. For example, you can name it leapyearchecker.java. Step 1, import required libraries. Import java.util, scanner, here. We import the scanner class to read user input. Step 2, create the main class. In this step, we set up the main class. We create a scanner object to read user input. The user is prompted to enter a year using system.out.print, enter a year. And we read the input using scanner.nextInt. Step 3, define isLeapYear method. The isLeapYear method takes an integer parameter year and returns a boolean indicating whether the year is a leap year or not. We use the leap year rules. If the year is divisible by 4, it's a potential leap year. However, if it's divisible by 100 but not by 400, it's not a leap year. Otherwise, it's a leap year. Now we have the complete code for the program. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal/command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the files. Compile the code, javac leapyearchecker.java. Run the program, Java leapyearchecker. When you run the program, you'll be prompted to enter a year. The program will then display whether the entered year is a leap year or not. Now we can test it out. Let's enter 2024. It returns 2024 is a leap year. Let's enter 2023, it returns 2023 is not a leap year. This program demonstrates the basic concept of checking leap years using Java. You can enhance this program further, adding error handling for invalid inputs and refining the logic for leap year determination. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video and have fun with the code. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.